Look at that. Isn't it just beautiful? Oh, don't worry about that flaming red hole I cut in the front of it. That's just the price you pay. But, now that is a work of art. I mean engineering. So, that's the bolts I put in there to hold the nuts in place. So I'll take those out, and then we can start putting this thing back together. Beautiful. Might throw a bit of paint on that. Just as beautiful. Yes, looking at those welds, I think getting a professional in to do them was worth it. Right, let's do this. Centre stand mounting plate, foot peg bracket, together, bolted in place. Touch of Loctite. I think I might take this one out to give myself some space. These modified lowered brackets do make it difficult. Right, no idea what a tension wrench would say, but can't get one on there anyway, so that's that. On to t'other side. Here we go, found it. Goes on the outside, spring knob to the back. Now that looks funny. I think I'm going to end up with these bolts being ever so slightly long. Bit hard to tell since I put that black paint in there, but I'm going to pop those out and stick a washer under it. Maybe even a spring washer. Let's try this again. Spring washer, flat washer. Well, this certainly is a trap for young players. Wonder if I've had a win with this thin plug socket. Pretty close to a win. Just need to take those off. Then I reckon I can get it onto that one. Woohoo! We have something that resembles a win. Well, I think that's it. Right, to the other side. Right, done. Touch more paint, time for a ride. Cheers, thanks for watching.